Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're going to talk about this, fixing your zipper, or when to replace the zipper. There's some easy fixes that you can try before you either get a new zipper or get new pants. These ones are loose. The zipper drops a little too easy. There's a fix for that. Make sure the tab is up and give it a squeeze along the edge, both sides, to tighten along the teeth. Now that we've tightened the pull, it connects the teeth better, so it won't slide down as easy, especially if you lock the zipper pull down, it won't go. This next trick is for stiff zippers. If the zipper has a hard time moving up and down the zipper, I don't have one of those right now, but there's a recommended way to fix that. It's with wax. I have my gigantic beeswax, or you could just use a candle. Pumpkin-y. We'll use my gigantic beeswax. Take the wax and gently rub it on the zipper, and your zipper should be able to move freely after a few zips. Done. If your zipper jumps the track, or if you have loose teeth or missing teeth, it's time for a new zipper. Replacing a zipper is a fast repair, but it takes skill. If you're not comfortable with replacing your own zipper, take it into the cleaners. They'll do it for you. Usually for less money than it would be to buy a new pair of pants. Thank you so much for watching, and happy zipper fixing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable DIYs. Let me know in the comments if you have any that you want me to cover. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I always say thank you so much for watching like 1,000 times. Bye.